So we will now start with the demo. We have basically developed two skills, DR evaluator and DR advisor. First we will start with DR evaluator. It basically answers questions pertaining to your custom strategies or the best strategies in order to reduce the power consumption of buildings across Penn campus. So this is our UI. And you'll basically see different plots over here. You'll get to see recommended sample utterances from which you can select one and say that to the Alexa. And this would be basically the subtitle window, wherein whatever Alexa says it out loud, it will be also shown over here. So now we'll go ahead with our demo with Amazon Echo. Alexa, start evaluator.
Hello, welcome to Prashna's DR Evaluator. I can help you to come up with an efficient power solution for buildings across Penn campus. I can either provide you with an efficient strategy or you may also create your custom strategy. You may start with your questions now.
I want to form my custom strategy.
Okay, you have to fix or adjust 3 different set point values for your custom strategy: lighting, zone temperature, and chilled water temperature. Tell me the value of lighting.
Lighting is 90%.
Done. Now, tell me the value of zone temperature. Make sure it is between 25 to 29 degrees Celsius for best results.
Set zone temperature to 29 degrees Celsius.
Alright, tell me the value of chilled water temperature. Ensure it is in between 6.5 to 10 degrees Celsius.
Set cold water temperature to 9 degrees Celsius. So as you see, it's now evaluating the values from the backend and it will say it out loud.
The predicted value of the power consumption of the building using your strategy is 1.30 megawatts. You have a curtailment of 197.00 kilowatts than the baseline consumption. You can continue with your questions.
Suggest me your best strategy. So it is evaluating from its own 3 predetermined strategies, and it will come out with a very good solution with 3 distinct set points.
As per my forecast, the best strategy has a lighting of 60%, zone temperature of 26 degrees Celsius, and chilled water temperature of 9 degrees Celsius, and it leads to a power consumption of 1.23 megawatts. You have a curtailment of 268.00 kilowatts than the baseline consumption. You may continue with your questions.
What happens if I change zone temperature to 29 degrees Celsius?
The predicted value of the power consumption of the building is 1.23 megawatts. You have a curtailment of 268.50 kilowatts than the baseline consumption. You can continue with your questions.
What if I change lighting to 60%?
The predicted value of the power consumption of the building is 1.23 megawatts. You have a curtailment of 268.00 kilowatts than the baseline consumption. You can continue with your questions.
Exit. So as you see, it kind of responded to all our questions quite elegantly, and the values were also accurate. The UI kind of provided us with all the details of the different strategies. So this is the baseline value and the 3 set point values: lighting, zone temperature, chilled water temperature, and these were the recommended sample utterances. So that's it from DR evaluator skill. Thank you.